Mild today, well, okay, warm today, 77 the high. That's the warmest day since December 8th, just like yesterday, whereas the warmest we've been since well before Christmas, but it's nowhere close to a record high. You have to get well into the 80s before we're talking records. The record today is 86, set back in 1911. If you're curious, the record tomorrow is 93 degrees, set back in 1911. It's way warmer than we were earlier this month. 2 weeks ago, we didn't even warm up above freezing. That was in the middle of that Arctic blast where the high was 22, 26, and 28. We had a lot of below normal weather last week when it was just rainy, drizzly, and chilly outside. Now we're going to end the month with some above normal temperatures. As of right now, we are 4 degrees. When you add up the whole month, we're 4 degrees below normal for the month. And actually, at this point, it's the coolest January we've had since 2007. Even though we're ending on a warm note and we have seen some above normal temperatures here or there, just the cold that we've had at times this month, enough to give us the coolest January since 2007. But since tomorrow's going to be above normal again, it kind of remains to be seen where we'll end up. I think it'll be at least the coolest January we've seen since 2011. We'll have the final numbers on all that tomorrow. Sunny and beautiful out there right now. 77 degrees tomorrow. It'll be in the 70s yet again. Thursday, Friday as well. A little cooler this weekend behind a front, but it's of a Pacific origin, which means it cools us off a little bit, and nothing Arctic headed our way anytime soon. We're dry until then as well, until Friday and into the weekend. Some passing clouds maybe tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night, and starting the day on Thursday with some clouds, but Thursday afternoon the sun will be back. Friday we cloud up again as moisture returns to North Texas, and there actually could be some scattered showers and storms around the area Friday evening and into Friday night. Friday night into Saturday morning, a widespread round of rain across North Texas. Saturday may start off a little rainy, but that rain will move east during the day. So I think your morning hours on Saturday looking a little rainier than your afternoon and evening hours, and everything will move off to the east Saturday night with a dry start on Sunday. Maybe a few showers or sprinkles trying to move into northeastern North Texas during the day on Sunday, but definitely not a washout of a day at all. Not a washout of a weekend. It may start off wet, but the entire weekend will not be rainy at all, and not overly cold behind that front either. When it's all said and done, it's maybe half an inch to an inch across the area. Since the storm system looks like it might be moving a little quicker, that's why rain totals are projected. Rainfall totals have dropped just a little bit. It's an inch or two across East Texas and over into the Arklatex. Light winds and chilly tonight. 44 will be your low, and then tomorrow we hit the 70s again. Another dry day, another warm day, and fairly light winds tomorrow, and that'll be the last day with a light breeze because the winds crank up on Thursday, south 10 to 20, even stronger on Friday, and this weekend will be rather windy as well as that storm system moves nearby. Next week starts off, their first full week of February starts off in the upper 50s to around 60, warming back up into the upper 60s, and maybe some rain returns again toward the end of that following week. So nothing wintry, nothing Arctic. February behaving itself so far. Of course, that only goes through the first half of February, so it remains to be seen what happens in the second half, but at least the first half not looking too